Welcome to another video here at MarineMax, Nisswa and Cross Lake. Today we're going to take a look at a very vibrant, awesome looking pontoon. This is a 2024 Premier 250 Solaris Sport, crimson red and the graphite gray panel. This is an awesome looking boat, great function with the windshield as you can see. We're going to show you all the features of what the Solaris Sport has to offer here. Outside, we have the Dural Rail rope lighting that Premier is known for. This has the moonstone colored railings. We also have the Vantage carbon fiber wrap with bumper guard. Let's get inside here where all the magic happens with the Mercury 350 V10 power. Amazing power plant on this PTX boat. Speaking of PTX, this is the all-new supercharger PTX. Completely new design, better lift, better performance, and more maneuverability than any other Tritoon on the market. The Ricochet ladder is a favorite of many. You forget the ladder, it pops up on its own, just like that. You don't have to be worrying about that. Nice, expansive swim deck. We got an easy entry door here on the back. We're gonna climb inside and show you the interior. One thing you're going to notice is the awesome looking interior. They do match the crimson red with the mountain gray ash vinyl. Another thing to point out, the newer style seating hinges on the 2024s, allowing you to open the seats, getting better access inside the seat compartment with these solid heavy duty aluminum hinges. One item that we always put in our Solaris Sport is the Mirage changing room. This is one of our favorites. Very easy to deploy, very functional to use. You have a changing room for a porta potty or to change in or out of a bathing suit. And it just collapses down. It's very easy to operate. And it's an option that is very, very functional to have on the boat. We of course do have the power bimini on this one. Wireless chargers throughout. Lots of creature comforts as we get into the helm. Of course we have a folding window. This is awesome for the wind protection. We have a dual console setup. Both helms are raised. That is super, super nice getting that elevated view. The passenger has a lot of different areas of creature comforts, whether it's good storage, a nice natural table here on the glove box, a lot of cup holders, wireless phone chargers, cooled cup holders, you name it. And for the driver has an awesome experience as well with a 9-inch Simrad, an awesome display for your JL audio and your switches and wireless charger, all at great fingertips. Of course, with the 350 Mercury Verado, we also have the standard active trim. That's an awesome feature, allowing the boat to trim on its own while you're planing and going across the lake in your supercharger PTX. Flip-up bolster seats is going to give you another added view, seeing over the windshield, so I can sit up high and have a better dockage view. Speaking of which, Premier has for 2024 the all-new clear, transparent bow doors. This is awesome feature, allowing the driver to visually see right through the door. You can see your lift better, you can see your dock better. Awesome, awesome feature, and it gives it a really, really nice, classy look. As we are up into the bow, we have our dual loungers, dual armrest, and awesome, awesome storage throughout the whole entire boat. So it just really encompasses the seating and functionality of this Solaris Sport. So we have several of these in stock, a few different colors. If you don't like the red, we have some black and whites and grays, all kinds of Solaris Sports here in stock at MarineMax, Nisswa, and Cross Lake locations. Thanks for watching this video of the all-new 2024 250 Solaris Sport.